Welcome to Top Best Picks. The best Blackout Shades is probably one of the most important purchases you will make for your home, offering a transformative effect on your sleep, mood, and overall well-being. In this video, we will explore the top Blackout Shades on the market, comparing their features, benefits, and drawbacks to help you choose the perfect option for your needs and budget, ensuring you get the best possible light control and privacy. Number 5. Redi Shade Blackout Shades. Say goodbye to complicated installations. It's incredibly easy to put up, no tools required. Get the perfect fit in seconds. Easily trim it to fit your windows perfectly, inside or outside the frame. It's that simple. Block out 99% of sunlight for ultimate privacy and UV protection. Perfect for bedrooms and media rooms. Enjoy a clean, modern look and peace of mind knowing it's completely cordless. Use the included clips to adjust it effortlessly. Made from durable paper that resists cracking from sun exposure. It's a reliable solution built to last. For over 30 years, it has been the go-to no-tools window covering. It works alone or layered with other treatments. What we like? It's super easy to install, you don't even need tools. This also blocks almost all light, perfect for nurseries or bedrooms. If you're looking for a simple, safe, and effective blackout solution, this is it. What people say. These do what they're supposed to do, block out light. It's now dark as Mammoth Cave in the bedroom. The room feels a bit warmer too, as there is another layer over those cold window frames. They are definitely not as easy as a blind with a cord to pull up and down, but for $45 to cover 6 windows you can't expect more from this product that does the job as intended. 100% blackout as long as you measure the window frame size properly. Number 4. Redi Shade Blackout Shades. Say goodbye to complicated installations. It's so easy to install, you can put it up in seconds. Easily trim it to perfectly fit your windows, inside or outside the frame. No measuring is needed. Block out 99% of light for ultimate privacy and UV protection. Perfect for bedrooms or media rooms. Enjoy a clean, modern look and peace of mind knowing it's completely cordless and safe for children. Simply use the included clips to adjust. Made from durable paper that resists cracking from sun exposure. It's designed to last. For over 30 years, it has been a trusted solution for easy window covering. Use it alone or layer it with your existing treatments. What we like? This one is also tool-free and blocks almost all light, great for creating a dark and quiet space. If you need a larger size for bigger windows, this is the better choice for you. What people say. These do what they're supposed to do, block out light. It's now dark as Mammoth Cave in the bedroom. The room feels a bit warmer too, as there is another layer over those cold window frames. They are definitely not as easy as a blind with a cord to pull up and down, but for $45 to cover 6 windows you can't expect more from this product that does the job as intended. 100% blackout as long as you measure the window frame size properly. Number 3. DIY Blackout Curtains. These curtains are made with high-quality fabric and a special silver coating to block out 100% of sunlight and UV rays. Enjoy a dark, private space, perfect for sleeping in. Unlike other curtains, you can easily customize these to fit any window. Just measure, cut, and install them to your exact specifications for a perfect fit. Installation is quick and easy. Simply measure, cut, and connect the pieces using the included adhesive stickers and Velcro. You'll be done in minutes. They're perfect for home, hotel, office, or even your car. Lightweight and foldable, it's easy to take them with you wherever you go. Your package includes 1 blackout curtain, adhesive stickers, Velcro, and a convenient storage bag. Everything you need for a perfect, dark sleep anywhere. If they have an odor when you open the package, just air them out for a few days. If there are creases, you can iron the non-silver side on a low setting. What we like? Want complete darkness? This provides 100% blackout. Plus, it's easy to install and you can customize the size to fit any window. If you need a truly dark room and want a perfect fit, this is for you. What people say. Super easy to use and complete blacked out my daughter's nursery. I love how there is an option to put Velcro on if you want so that you can let light in during the day. These were so easy to install and extremely effective. My baby's nursery has blackout curtains, but they don't lay flush with the wall, so some light creeps out at the top and sides. The material is lightweight, but definitely blocks out light. Does it? It's supposed to. Blacks out the light. Easy to install. Measure, cut, use included Velcro straps to secure curtain to window. Works great. Number 2. Cellular Shades Cordless Blackout Blinds. It's designed with a special blackout liner to completely block light and harmful UV rays, ensuring a dark and comfortable environment. The unique honeycomb structure absorbs noise and provides insulation, keeping your space warm in winter and cool in summer. These cordless shades are a safe option for homes with children and pets. They also offer complete privacy when lowered. They're incredibly easy to raise and lower, allowing you to adjust them to your preferred position with ease. It can be installed inside or outside your window frame. Just remember to measure carefully for the best fit. Made from durable polyester, these shades are built to last and provide long-term value. What we like. This offers 100% light blockage and also helps reduce noise. It's super easy to raise and lower. If you value both darkness and quiet, this is the one for you. What people say. Installation, straightforward, requires a drill. I opted to use longer screws, but you can also drill thinner holes for more sheer surface area. The shorter screws that are provided with the shade will suffice, nonetheless. The shade also comes with a plastic tab that snaps onto the bottom rail to make it easier to raise and lower. I really like the look, operation, and ease of install for these blinds. After reading the reviews, I thought I would give them a try. I was not disappointed. I ordered the 34x64. Each blind came with 2 mounting brackets, screws, and anchors. For the inside mount, I used 1 screw per bracket, then snapped the blind into place. That's simple. It literally took me less than 3 minutes for each install. Once installed, they were easy to operate and they look very nice with my decor. I initially purchased the light diffusing blinds. I liked them so much that went on to order the blackout blinds. The blackout blinds, with an inside mount, reduce the amount of light in the room by at least 85%. This works for me considering that there is 1/2 of play on each side of the blind. Shades are good quality and fit well, easy to put up. Number 1. Graywind Motorized Roller Shades. These shades offer superior light control and privacy. They're perfect for any room in your home or office. Made from durable, waterproof vinyl, they're easy to clean and maintain. Plus, they add a touch of elegance to any space. The cordless design ensures safety for children and pets. Enjoy peace of mind knowing your family is protected. Control them from anywhere using our app, or integrate them with your existing smart home system via Bluetooth or Zigbee. It's that easy. Manage up to 15 shades individually or in groups with the included remote. Schedule your preferred settings for ultimate convenience. They are made to order, so you can customize the dimensions to perfectly fit your windows. Choose your preferred options and enjoy a perfect fit. They offer both Bluetooth and Zigbee options for seamless integration with your smart home ecosystem. Choose the option that best suits your needs. Our user-friendly app allows for precise control, including setting favorite positions and monitoring battery life. Control is at your fingertips. They help regulate temperature and reduce energy consumption, saving you money on your energy bills. Enjoy both comfort and savings. What we like. Control your shades with your smartphone or voice. It's fully customizable to your window size and offers complete blackout. If you're a tech-savvy homeowner who wants ultimate convenience and control, this is perfect. What people say. They were excellent, so I ordered total 8 blinds from the seller. I have uploaded a video showing the Alexa voice-controlled operation of the blinds. In short, great smart blinds and excellent customer service. Very good material of the blind. Smart blind, voice-controlled, battery-operated, schedule operation. It also has a remote to operate individual blinds or all of them in one click. We ended up going with the gray blackout blinds with the valance. Their order page makes ordering the correct fit, customization, and features easy as long as you pay attention to input the correct measurements and know how you want them installed. We bought a total of 8 blinds, 5 of which were custom sizes, with the gray blackouts. When we saw them in person, the rubberized vinyl-like material looks high quality and premium. A nice benefit of these are that they will hold up to our cats damaging them, and they won't absorb odors as much. As promised, no light gets through the blinds. The package also includes a sleek, easy-to-operate remote. One remote can control up to 15 blinds and they are already pre-programmed for you. After measuring and drilling our holes, we just needed to screw in the brackets, then slide the shades in which snap in easily using the valance for outside the frame mounting. Entire installation was 2 hours by myself at an easy place. After I drilled my holes, most of the work is just attaching the brackets. First thing I did was start charging the motor blinds with the included USB-C wires, and they were charged up and ready by the time I was ready to install them. One charge is good for thousands of movements. You can control the speed, which blinds to open close, and set the stop positions. The operation is relatively quiet. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.